Fort Worth, Texas. We are here exploring, wandering, meandering, being lost, having a good time with a lot of people, getting ready to see the cattle run down Maine. You're going to go with us. It's going to be good.
Okay, so come over here, and again, we want to welcome you to the historic district. And that's at the Cowtown Maze if you have any questions about what's going on today.
We've been to Fort Worth before, but we haven't made it down into the Stockyards before. So this is a new experience for us. We are told, what road is this? From what we have read, whatever road we're on, whether it be Maine or something else, is the right place to be when you see the cattle run. And people are lining up now, so hopefully we're in the right spot. Because I hate to be here and miss it. It's our only shot.
Here walking around.
This is not Maine, this is Exchange Avenue, but this is where they're going to run. People are lining up and down the streets right now. We've got probably another 15-20 minutes left before they are heading this way. So we're just right now taking in the sights.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, look at you both. Ma'am, please stand up. Oh, excuse me.
There you have it. That was the 11:30 cattle drive. We are at M.L. Letty's Western store at the moment on the way out. A lot to do, but there are so many people here. We're going to get back down here and explore, wander, see the stores more when there's less people. So, but she's spoiled by cooler weather. So, until next time, get out, drive the back roads, drink the dew, be nice to one another, and we'll see you next time.